Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to teach you a really helpful method for transferring an image to your paper. And I think this is a really good and beneficial video for beginners because sketching is the basic step of drawing, and what I'm going to show you is grid method, which I think is the best way for doing this part. So basically in this method, first you need to put a grid over your reference image, and I always do this using an application on my phone. You can also use the same application or other applications that are really easy and simple to use. And then I draw a grid of equal ratio on my work surface and try to draw the image focusing on one square at a time. So let's see how is it done. As I told you, after making a grid on the image, I draw a grid of equal ratio on my paper. But the size is completely up to you and depends on how large you want your artwork to be. Just be sure to draw the grid lines as light as possible so that you can easily erase them when you're finished. I'm drawing bold lines only because they can be seen in the video, but they need to be light. There are two important points in this part. First, there should be an equal number of rows and columns on the paper as they are on the image. And second, the squares should be perfect squares. The next step is marking rows and columns by numbers or alphabets along the edge of the paper so that it will be easy to keep track of where you are. Now it's time for transferring what you see in the reference image block by block. It doesn't matter where you start, but try as much as you can to copy exactly what you see in the little squares in your image. Basically, you continue until all the squares are done and the image is completely transferred. Then you can erase all the grid lines and start painting.